Okay, so I just downloaded an app and didn't realize it was going to change everything on my phone. And now my home screen and app drawer look way different, and I hate it. This can happen if you download an app that's designed to take over your home screen and customize it to a different look. And the good news is that we can easily switch it back. To put everything back to normal, we'll go to Settings, and from there, you'll scroll down to Apps. On the top, you should see an option to set your default apps, and within that menu, there's a section for the Home app. In my case, this dumb keyboard app didn't just change my keyboard, it changed everything on my phone. So I'll just change it back to One UI Home, which is the standard look on Samsung phones like mine. And with that, everything instantly goes back to normal, and my phone looks like it's supposed to. Now, if you installed an app that hijacked everything, it's usually a good idea to delete the app. I'm going to go find that keyboard app, and I'll just tap and hold and choose Uninstall. This will remove the app from my phone and make sure that I won't run into the same issue again. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more Android guides like this.